Hey, let me show you the camera quality test of the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G. So when you open the more modes, we can actually find the high resolution mode. And I will try to take the photo of this 50 euros. And let's see how many details we can actually find here. So I'll try to put it, for example, a little bit closer, and let's catch focus just right here on the left bottom corner. There we go, the photo was taken. And now let's move on. We can zoom in, and as you can see, we can actually find the structure, and we can actually find some details, but it doesn't have that good focus, so I will try to do this one more time, maybe from this. Now it was taken. Let's go again, and now it's a little bit sharper, and we can find some details. Take a look. This is this place. So we can actually get some good amount of the details thanks to this 50 megapixel mode. And if you are taking the photos with the flashlight, it will be also very useful. So I will try to do this one more time with the flashlight, of course. There we go. Now let's see if we will actually improve the quality. Yeah, right now it even looks better, and we can find more details, especially when you take a look right here. As you can see, we can find here some white lines, something that is actually not visible for your eyes when you take a look right like this. Yeah, so in this one we've got actually less details. So if you actually use the flashlight, you will actually get even better amount of the details. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.